Namaskar friends, myself Vaidya Alka Gupta. In Satwari Ayurveda, we will talk about how to increase blood oxygen level through Ayurvedic ways. We can do some Ayurvedic asana, pranayam and steps to increase our blood oxygen level, and that we should start from the first day we are detected with corona. Decreased blood oxygen level actually is called hypoxia, and the main cause of it is disease of lungs. And as we know, corona affect our lungs very dominantly. But the good news is hypoxia can be treated with oxygen. That means if we avail more oxygen to our lungs, this condition can be treated well. Asanas, especially back bending asanas, that means Bhujangasana, Makarasana, Salabhasana. All these asanas expand chest. That's why the more and more oxygen is availed to the lungs. In these asanas, in the prone position, one should do deep breath to avail more and more oxygen. Along with that, in these asanas, one should do deep breathing rather than shallow one. Also, pranayam. First is Anulom Vilom. In Anulom Vilom pranayam, one should do deep breathe in and deep breathe out. For deep breathe in and deep breathe out, you can have a 1-1 ratio, and for deep breath, you should recite slok in your mind. So for one slok, you deep breathe in, and for one slok, you deep breathe out. You should choose long slok like Gayatri mantra or Mahamrityunjay mantra. If you are not facing respiratory complications, then you can do Kumbhak. It means retaining the breath too. But if you are feeling complications, short breath or dyspnea or breathlessness, then you should do only deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Except Anulom Vilom, Bhramari Pranayam. In Bhramari Pranayam, you should close your ears, you should close your eyes, and then deep breathe in, close your nose, and with the sound of breathe out. In this, you will feel a vibration in your body. These vibrations are very good, as these vibrations first of all release some chemicals in the lungs who decreases the diseases of lungs. And second, because of this vibration, all the cough is reabsorbed and more lung space is available for breathing. Third is Omkar. In Omkar, you should deep breathe in through your nose and then breathe out with the Omkar sound. Om. With this too, you will feel a vibration in your throat and lungs. Except that, one should do Nase. It means 2 drops of cow ghee or Shadbindu tel or Anu tel in the nose. It reduces cough in nose, throat and pharynx. Third is vapor inhalation. Vapor inhalation is very important. Fourth, one should avoid indigestion. When there is indigestion, then person's gut will need more and more oxygen, which may reduce their oxygen level in the blood. That's why if you are having corona, then you must have easily digestible light diet. I appeal to all corona patients, don't wait to get complication. Start these steps now. If you did these steps in the time of corona from day 1, then you will not have immediate complication. Also, the post-COVID complications will not be there. So follow these steps and stay healthy. Thank you.
For queries and to know more about Ayurveda, write us and to connect with us, subscribe our channel. Thank you.